of your second chapter is matter around us pure. In the last video, we have discussed about the separation method, separation of a mixture of solid and liquid. Today, we will discuss the next topic of the separation by distillation. Distillation is the process, separation by distillation is the process of heating a liquid to form vapors and then cooling the vapors to get back liquid. Means in this process, firstly you have to heat the mixture in which liquid is converted into vapors, and then the vapors are again condensed to get back liquid. So when a homogeneous mixture of solid and liquid is heated in a closed distillation flask, this is known as distillation flask. So when a homogeneous mixture of solid and liquid is heated in a closed distillation flask, the liquid being volatile and forms vapors. So the liquid present in this mixture being volatile and form vapors, and the vapors go through the condenser where water is continuously supplied from the outside, due to which the vapors of the liquid are condensed and again converted into a liquid and is collected in the receiver. This is known as a receiver flask. ठीक है, तो the vapors of liquid are passed through a condenser where they get cooled and condensed to form pure liquid. The liquid obtained by condensing the vapors is called distillate. Means this liquid, this liquid which is obtained by the distillation is called distillate. The pure liquid is collected in a separate vessel. The solid, being non-volatile, remains behind in the distillation flask. So the solid substance is remaining in this distillation flask, while all the liquid is due to volatile nature, it will convert into the vapors and then go through the condenser, and finally it is collected in the distilled in the receiver in the form of pure liquid. So this is the method of separation of a solid and liquid by distillation. For example, salt solution can be separated into salt and water by distillation. So you can use this method to separate sugar and water also. Next topic is separation of liquid-liquid mixtures. Mean those mixtures in which both components are liquid are known as liquid-liquid mixtures, and such type of mixtures are separated mainly by two methods. But there are two types of two or more liquid are mixed to form two types of liquid mixtures. The first is miscible liquid and second is immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids means those liquids which mix together in all proportion and form a single layer liquid are called miscible liquids. For example, mixture of water and ethanol, mixture of methanol and ethanol. So such type of mixtures are called miscible liquids. But if liquids do not mix together and form separate layers, then such type of mixtures are called immiscible liquids. For example, mixture of water and oil. If you will add water into oil, then they will remain separate and do not mix together. Then such type of mixtures are called immiscible liquids. All the mixtures containing two or more liquids can be separated by using one of the following method. The first method is by using process of fractional distillation, and second method is by using separating funnel. So by using process of fractional distillation is used for the miscible liquids. If two or more liquids are completely mixed with each other, then such type of mixtures are separated by using fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is a method for the separating a liquid for from a mixture of two or more liquids. This process involves vaporization and condensation. Means in this process, firstly liquid is converted into vapors, and again vapors condensed to form liquid. So this process is called vaporization, in which liquid is converted into vapor, and when vapors are condensed to form liquid, this process is called condensation. For example, liquid ethanol can be separated from a mixture of ethanol and water by fractional distillation. This method works because the liquid in the mixture have different boiling points. As they have different boiling points, it's mean that one of them boils first while other boils later. When the mixture is heated, one liquid evaporates before the other. So in this method, one liquid evaporates before the other, due to which the liquid which evaporate first get condensed in and to form pure liquid, while the other liquid remain in the distillation flask. It is known as distillation flask. For example, if you have to separate a mixture of ethanol and water, ethanol means alcohol and water, then you have to take the mixture into a distillation flask, and distillation flask, when the distillation flask is placed on the heat, then at certain temperature the liquid is converted into vapors, but the boiling point of ethanol is 78.5 degrees Celsius, or you can say that simply 78 degrees Celsius. Ethanol, boiling point of ethanol is 78.5 degrees Celsius, while the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Then the when vapors move when vapors move through this distillation flask to fractionating column. This is known as fractionating column. So when the vapors move to the fractionating column, then the vapors of both water and ethanol are collected on the ball of this fractionating column, due to which the temperature of this column gets increased. You can check the temperature of this fractionating column through this thermometer. So when the temperature of this column becomes 78.5 degree Celsius, then the vapors of ethanol do not condense by the wall of this column and go through this condenser to collect in the receiver. So this is the method. While the boiling point of water drops is 100 degrees Celsius, therefore they get condensed and come back in the form of drops in the distillation flask. The water drops back into the flask, while ethanol is collected in the receiver. So this process is called fractional distillation, which is used to separate two or more liquids. ठीक है. Now second method, by using separating funnel. This method is used to separate those mixtures, generally immiscible liquids. This method is used to separate two immiscible liquids. Two immiscible liquids are separated by using separating funnel. The mixture of oil and water forms two separate layers because they are completely insoluble in each other. Oil forms upper layer due to lower density, while water forms lower as it has higher density than the oil. In separating funnel, the oil are kept for resting. In the separating funnel, they are kept for resting. When two layers become stable by using separating funnel, the liquid which has higher density at lower level of the funnel, and when the stopcock is open, it passed into the flask. Then stopcock is closed and two liquids are separated one by one. For example, I can show you this by a diagram. If you have a mixture of two liquids, one has higher density, one has higher density and other has lower density. Suppose that this is the water and this is oil. So if you have the mixture of water and oil, it is known as separating funnel. So when you will place the immiscible liquid in this funnel and place it in the resting position, then both of these liquids, oil and water, form a separate layer. Water is separated in the lower side while oil is separated in the upper side. So when you will open this tap, then the water is coming out through this funnel, through this hole, and when all the water is coming out, then you will stop this tap, due to which the oil will remain in this funnel. So this is the method for the separating two immiscible liquids from a mixture. This is known as by the separation by using separating funnel. So we have separating funnel. If you want to separate the mixture of oil and water, then we can do this practical in the chemistry lab. Don't worry about it. Next, difference between simple distillation and fractional distillation. Actually, the main difference between fractional and simple distillation is that simple distillation separates liquid with a boiling point of at least 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. विद a boiling point डिफरेंस होगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है बेटा, इस चीज को याद रखना, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 50 नहीं होना चाहिए. विद a boiling point difference of at least 50 degree Celsius, while fractional distillation separates liquid with a closer boiling points. For example, if the boiling point is 20 degrees Celsius, the difference between the boiling point of two or more liquids is 20 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Celsius, then we will use fractional distillation for separating those liquids. So this chapter is finished. Now all of you have to do all the NCERT questions. I will check on next turn one by one, and all of you have to upload the photos of the work when I will ask. Okay, so thank you so much.